How to invest in real estate with little money down, even as a beginner. Now, let's dive into today's exciting and incredibly practical episode. I know many of you have been asking, how can I invest in real estate when I don't have a lot of money to start? Well, I'm thrilled to share that it is absolutely possible to get started in real estate with little money down, even if you're a complete beginner. In this episode, I'll break down step by step how you can make your real estate dreams a reality with limited funds, especially in today's economy. What if I told you that you don't need tens of thousands of dollars in savings to start building a real estate portfolio today? You don't have to be a millionaire to get into real estate. In fact, there are proven strategies you can use to get your foot in the door with little upfront capital. Stick around because by the end of this episode, you'll have actionable steps that can lead you to success in real estate, even if you're starting from scratch. So let's jump in and explore how you can invest in real estate with little money down, even in today's volatile economic climate. Welcome back, WealthRise listeners. I want to take a moment to sincerely thank each and every one of you for your continued support. Whether you've liked, shared, or subscribed to our episodes, your engagement truly means the world to me. You are part of a growing community of individuals committed to building financial independence and long-term wealth. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to the WealthRise podcast for more tips and strategies on how to achieve financial freedom. The current real estate landscape, a quick overview. Before we dive into the strategies, it's important to understand the current state of the real estate market in 2025. The market is still recovering from the effects of the pandemic, inflation is high, and interest rates have risen to curb economic pressures. However, despite these challenges, real estate remains one of the most reliable ways to build wealth over time. In this economy, it's crucial to approach real estate investing strategically, especially if you're starting with little capital. The tariff impacts on the construction industry have led to rising costs of materials and delays in new builds, making it more challenging to find affordable properties. However, there are still great opportunities out there, especially if you know where to look and how to structure deals creatively. The goal of today's episode is to arm you with the knowledge and strategies that will enable you to begin investing in real estate even with limited funds. So, let's get into the practical steps you can take to start building your real estate portfolio. Step-by-step guide. How to invest in real estate with little money down. Step 1. Understand the different types of real estate investments. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand the types of real estate investments available to you. Not all require large amounts of capital to get started. Here are a few options that will help you get into the market with minimal money down. Rental properties, single-family or multifamily. While traditional rental properties typically require significant down payments, there are creative financing strategies you can use to reduce this cost. More on that later. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without having to own physical property. You can invest in a portfolio of real estate assets with as little as $100 in some cases, providing a low barrier entry point for beginners. Real estate crowdfunding. Similar to REITs, real estate crowdfunding platforms allow investors to pool money together to invest in large real estate projects. Many of these platforms have low minimum investments, making it easier for beginners to get involved. Wholesaling. Wholesaling is one of the most accessible entry points for new investors. It involves finding undervalued properties, securing them under contract, and selling the contract to another investor for a profit. While wholesaling doesn't require you to purchase the property, you'll need to have an understanding of how to find good deals and negotiate effectively. House hacking. If you're buying a property to live in, house hacking is a brilliant way to reduce your living costs and generate passive income. This involves purchasing a multifamily property, e.g., duplex, triplex, and renting out the other units while you live in one. Step 2. Leverage creative financing options. One of the most powerful strategies for investing with little money down is to use creative financing. These are financing options that allow you to bypass traditional methods of borrowing, which often require large down payments and strong credit scores. Let's break down some of the creative financing methods that can help you get into real estate with minimal capital. Seller financing. This occurs when the seller acts as the lender and you make payments directly to them instead of a bank or mortgage company. Seller financing can often reduce the down payment requirement and allow for more flexible terms. Lease option. A lease option allows you to lease a property with the option to purchase it later, typically at a set price. This gives you time to save up for a larger down payment while securing the property at today's prices. You may also be able to negotiate rent credits that count toward the purchase price. Partnering with other investors. If you don't have enough capital to purchase a property on your own, partnering with others who have money but need your expertise or time can be a great way to get started. You can form a joint venture where you contribute something other than money, such as property management skills or market knowledge, in exchange for a share of the profits. Hard money loans. Hard money loans are short-term loans typically offered by private lenders. These loans are based on the property's value rather than your creditworthiness, which makes them more accessible for new investors. However, keep in mind that interest rates are often higher than traditional loans, and you'll need to exit the loan quickly. FHA and VA loans. If you're a first-time homebuyer, the Federal Housing Administration, FHA, and Veterans Affairs, VA, loans may allow you to buy property with a down payment as low as 3.5% FHA or even 0% VA. These loans can be a great way to start investing in real estate with minimal capital, especially for primary residences. Step 3. Look for distressed properties and foreclosures. Another excellent way to invest with little money down is to focus on distressed properties, homes or buildings that need significant repairs or have been foreclosed on. These properties are often sold below market value, and you may be able to negotiate a deal with the seller or lender that requires a smaller down payment. Foreclosures. Bank-owned properties, REOs, are typically sold at auctions or through real estate agents. Because these properties are often in disrepair, they can be bought at a significant discount. Keep in mind that buying foreclosures often requires quick action and cash or hard money loans. Short sales. In a short sale, the homeowner owes more on the property than it's worth, and the lender agrees to sell the property for less than the outstanding mortgage. Short sales can offer significant savings, but the process is often slow and complex. Nevertheless, it's a great way to find deeply discounted properties. Tax liens. Purchasing tax liens is another strategy that can allow you to invest with little money down. When a homeowner fails to pay property taxes, the local government places a lien on the property. By purchasing the lien, you have the opportunity to either collect interest on the lien or eventually acquire the property if the taxes aren't paid. Step 4. Build your network and knowledge base. Success in real estate investing isn't just about the strategies you use. It's also about the people you know and the knowledge you have. To succeed in real estate with little money down, here are some tips to help you build a strong network and knowledge base. Join real estate groups. Network with other real estate investors, either online or in person, by joining real estate investment groups, forums, and local meetups. You can learn from other investors' experiences and make valuable connections that may lead to partnership opportunities or funding sources. Find a mentor. Seek out a mentor who has experience in real estate investing. They can guide you through the process, help you avoid common pitfalls, and introduce you to potential opportunities. Mentorship can be a game changer, especially when you're just starting out. Educate yourself. Take the time to learn about the real estate market, financing options, and the specific strategies that work best for low-capital investors. Read books, attend seminars, and listen to podcasts like this one to deepen your understanding of real estate investing. Encouragement to invest and avoid pitfalls. Real estate investing is an incredible way to build wealth, but it's essential to be mindful of the common pitfalls that many beginner investors face. These include overestimating rental income. Make sure your projections for rental income are realistic. Many beginners make the mistake of overestimating how much they can charge for rent or undervaluing operating costs. Ignoring market research. Conduct thorough research on the market and location before purchasing any property. A great deal in the wrong area can lead to significant financial losses. Underestimating repair costs. When purchasing distressed properties, always get a professional inspection and estimate repair costs accurately to avoid unexpected expenses. Despite these challenges, the rewards of real estate investing are well worth the effort. By using the strategies outlined in this episode, you can start investing in real estate with little money down and begin your journey to financial freedom. Conclusion. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of Wealth Rise. I hope you now feel more confident and empowered to begin your real estate investment journey, even with limited funds. Remember, creative financing, networking, and leveraging distressed properties are just a few of the strategies you can use to break into the market without a huge initial investment. If you found this episode helpful, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to Wealth Rise. And don't forget to share this episode with anyone who might benefit from it. Keep pushing forward, keep investing smartly, and keep building your path to financial freedom. We'll see you in the next episode. Happy investing.